I present our consortium, Pandora IDNet, for Pan-African Network for Rapid Research Response, Relief and Preparedness for Infectious Diseases Epidemics. So, this consortium has been organized, established in response to a DCTP call, and this network is one human and animal health multidisciplinary consortium of 24 partner institutions from 9 African and 4 European countries. Alors, who are our partners? In West Africa, the countries, we have Sierra Leone, Nigeria, Ghana, Central Africa, Republic of Congo and Gabon, East Africa, Sudan, Uganda, Tanzania, Southern Africa, Zambia, and in Europe, United Kingdom, Italy, Germany, and France. The overall aim of Pandora is to strengthen regional and Pan-African capacities and systems for enabling rapid and effective response to emerging and re-emerging infectious diseases threats arising from within Africa or those imported from overseas. And we have 4 major objectives. The first one is to develop and set up a ready-to-go within 72 hours, a team ready to go to a place where there is an outbreak, and from the 4 African regions. The second one is to strengthen capacities to conduct research, multidisciplinary research. The third one, to train and empower scientists, healthcare workers, and lab personnel, etc. And the fourth one, to engage stakeholders and community. We have defined 7 work packages. One is on coordination, administration, advocacy networking. The second, capacity building and training. The third one for epidemiological, clinical, and pathogen studies and protocols, standardization, etc. The fourth one, zoonotic, One Health, human-animal interface studies. The fifth one, clinical trials. 6th one, data management, sharing, reporting, and the 7th one, engaging policymakers, regulatory authorities, ethics committee. And the strategy is to have, in the 4 African region, to have a focal person. So a focal person or institution. In West Africa, Nigeria, it will be Urua Teaching Hospital. In Central Africa, Congo, the Congolese Foundation for Medical Research. In East Africa and Sudan, the Institute of Endemic Diseases. And also the Tanzania National Institute for Medical Research. And in Zambia, it will be HERPES. How our consortium is organized, I am the coordinator of the consortium, but we have a coordination team composed of 3 deputy coordinators from Europe and project manager and finance managers. An executive board, which is the decision-making body, and in this executive board, each partner is represented. So for finance, any financial changes or issues are managed by this or scientific also change are managed by this executive board. And the executive board is advised by an external scientific advisory group, and we have project coordinating officers or corresponding to work package leaders. And the activities, we have human health, animal health, ethics, and social science, which is very, very important because there is a crucial gap in social scientific investigation from sub-Saharan Africa. And, of course, engagement of policymakers and community engagement. Cross-cutting activities, epidemiology, surveillance, laboratory, training, and coordination activities. So I go quickly on that because it's just a repetition On ethics, sorry, I lose my voice. On ethics, I insist on that because also in case of outbreaks and in emergency situation, it's important to have ethics committee members ready to evaluate protocol and to make the right decision, and also for authority regulation, because we have seen that for this Ebola outbreak, no one was prepared in terms of ethics and rapid evaluation of protocol. So we will insist on that, really to have all our teams ready for taking decision, and also for engaging stakeholders and communities as well. To finish, what Pandora has started officially the 1st March, about 12 days. So what we would like to do with our consortium is really to build on synergies, really, and for us, to avoid any competition. So really to look at what are doing the others and to do, when it's possible, together. So first, we will use the 4 EDCTP regional network of excellence. They are organized, so we need to use them. So as much as possible, we will collaborate and do activities in the 4 regions with them. Alert, of course, but Peter will talk about that later, but as much as possible, of course, we will also work, we will work together and do activities on the field or on training activity, training platform, all together. The regional health organizations also, because Africa is organized, we have health organizations, but also how Pandora will fit in this horizon. So we will see how really to work with them and to be, at least for them to be aware that we are doing things in the region. And Afro, NEPAD, of course, Africa CDC will be fully involved in our activities and other initiatives. But to finish, we will not forget the local private sector, because we will need, for training capacity, for improving infrastructure, we will need support, financial support, and for the perennisation of our activities, because the project is for 4 years, and 4 years it's not enough. So we need to sustain activities. So as much as possible, we will look for support for local private sector in Africa. And to finish, here are the 3 deputy coordinators. So Sir Ali Zumla, unfortunately, is not with us, and Giuseppe is there, and Francesco as well. Thank you very much.